Welcome to the Forest Produce Permit app tutorial for Citizen. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to apply for a permit, make payments, and download your permit with ease. Start by downloading the app from the Play Store. Once installed, open the app and complete the registration by entering your name, email, mobile number, and other required details. Now you're ready to log in. After logging in, tap on the Apply Now button. Fill out the application form by entering the following details: name, vehicle number, mobile number, source type, origin and destination, from to, details of the forest produce. Once completed, tap on Proceed to Payment. Make the payment securely through the app's online payment gateway. After successful payment, your permit will be instantly generated and available for download. At forest check posts, officials can verify the permit in real time. They just need to scan the QR code using the inbuilt scanner on their dashboard. Citizens can also view the list of all permits applied and access detailed information such as permit details, transit details, check post payment info, and also can view the transaction details. At the bottom, you'll find a Download button to save a copy of your permit. Go to Profile Settings to edit your profile, change your password, or log out securely. Applying for a forest produce permit is now fast, simple, and secure. Download the app and get started today.